Onyxia.
Hello, so I'm making this video to show you how to set up a proper dev environment with Onyxia. Let's say you want to work on a daily basis on a Git project you have somewhere. Let's see. First, we're gonna pick the service that is best suited for our work. In this demo, I'm gonna be working on the web application, so I'm gonna be using VS Code. So here I'm gonna type the name of my project. I'll say DSFR demo. And there is a few configuration that I will need to customize later on, but for now let's just save it as is and launch it. Just so you know, when I save a configuration here, it appears in the saved config, so I can launch it again whenever I want in the same configuration, and if I want I can edit the specific config here and update the config if I need to. So let's see. I will start the VS Code. Okay, so now let's open the service. I'll just paste the password that I've just copied. And first thing I'm gonna want to do is open a new terminal, and I want to clone my project here inside my container. So when I try to paste here, I need to allow paste once, and I gotta do a git clone. So this is the first thing that I will need to automate, because I don't want to have to manually clone every time I open my service. So I will just go and edit here in the Git section. I will paste the URL of my repository and I will save change. So this way, next time I start the service, I will already have my code here. Now, this is a web project, which means that I will do Node, NPM, and maybe Yarn, and those doesn't come by default with this VS Code Python. If I do Node here, Node V, I can see that it isn't installed. With the SSP Cloud or Onyxia, by default you won't be working on web project, but this is an example to show you how to install automatically some dependencies that might have been missing in the service that are provided. So here, for example, I need to install Node. So I'll just go and on the Node website and check out how do I install Node on Linux package manager. Yes, how do you install Node on Linux? So I'd need to curl this. All right, after they say that I need to execute those 3 commands, so let's do this, and after I should run nvm node version manager install 20. All right, and now I should have Node installed. Node version, yes. So this is not something I want to do every day before being able to start working. So I will just write a script that Onyxia will execute each time the container starts. So I will create in my repo Onyxia init.sh file, and I will just paste the few commands that I need to install the missing dependencies. So I will copy the curl here. I will copy the few commands that were requested here. So we had export, right, and lastly we have the nvm install 20. All right. And I need yarn as well, so it will be npm install global yarn. Okay, it seems to work. So npm install global yarn. Now I should have yarn as well. All right, so now that I've created this file, I'm gonna update my configuration of my service in Onyxia. So this script is automatically executed, automatically ran each time I start my service. So I will just save this, and I will commit this file. I will add it to my project. Git commit add Onyxia init. All right, and I will push to my repo. So here I need to authenticate. All right, so here I need to copy the code that is displayed here and paste it. All right, I'll grant access. All set. Fantastic. And now, as you can see, if I refresh here, there is a new file, Onyxia init.sh, and I will just get the role link. I'll copy that, and I will update again my configuration here, and I'll go in init, and I will paste the link to the sh script, and update my saved configuration. So this will ensure that this will ensure that each time the container starts, this script is run. All right, so now what I want to do is to dev my project. So I want to be able to start dev server here. So this would be yarn for installing the dependencies of my project. Okay, and now if I run yarn dev, I can see that this is creating local dev server, but I won't be able to access it, unfortunately. So again, I need to update my config here, and I need to go in networking, enable custom service port, and tell the port of the dev server here, and I will save again. So now I should have everything I need to run and locally work on my code. Let's try this out. So I will delete the currently running service, and I will start it again with my configuration with everything set up. So as you can see here, there is a new line that is telling me, okay, so this is the link for accessing your service, so the VS Code, and if you have a dev server, this is the second link that for accessing your development server for the app you're working on. So here I open, all right, I connect, and now I should have my code already, all right, and also I should have Node and Yarn installed, because I have the script have been run. So now I can install the dependencies of my project. This could be done in the Onyxia init, by the way. Okay, and now I should be able to yarn dev host. This is required the host to say yes on the network. And now I can open in the browser here. Something wrong. Oh yes, of course, I'm sorry. This is not the correct link. The correct link is here in the README. So I can copy link here and paste it, and voila. So here there is the app that is running on my container here. And to prove it, I can go in home, for example, and here say success hello world. I save, and sure enough, here I get the hello world. So I can work on my code. When I'm done, I will just commit, git commit im update push. The first commit, it will always be the same thing. I need to do this little shenanigan to authenticate. All right, it's only the first commit. Okay, and voila, I'm done. So I'm done with my day. Good day work. I can close my service so that the resources are freed, and the day after, when I come back, I can start again by launching a new service. Okay, I hope this has been helpful, informative. Bye.
Onyxia.